little friends. I'm Clicky. Today we're going on a super fun jungle adventure. Guess who we're meeting? A big, cute, splashy friend who loves to dance and play. Her name is Ellie the Elephant. She stomps, she splashes, and she sings all day. So get ready to clap your hands, stomp your feet, and sing along with us. Let's go meet Ellie.
Ellie the elephant, big and gray, loves to splash in puddles all day, with her floppy ears and trunk so long. She sways and dances to a jungle song. Stomp, stomp, stomp goes Ellie's feet, through the forest strong and sweet. Swish goes her tail side to side, with her animal friends right by her side. She sprays some water up so high, like a fountain to the sky. Giggle, giggle, what a sight! Sparkling drops in morning light. Ellie munches leaves so green, the tastiest snack she's ever seen. Then she naps beneath the tree, dreaming how fun tomorrow will be. So clap your hands and stomp along, join dear Ellie in her song, happy, kind, and full of cheer. Ellie the elephant brings us cheer.
Bye-bye, little friends. Did you enjoy dancing with Ellie the Elephant? If you like this video, then to watch more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it.